lovelies. Today I'm going to make a Victoria sandwich. We've got friends coming over today, so I'm going to make a fresh cream Victoria sandwich. So with this method it's really easy. I've got my coffee here, so I'm drinking my coffee. Let me say hello, good morning, good morning, good morning. Say, this method is so easy. You put everything in the bowl at once, no creaming of anything. So I've got my bowl on my scales, so I'm going to set it to 0. There we go. I'm going to open my self-raising flour. Which always makes a hell of a mess, doesn't it? Right. So, in here, 225 grams. £225 of caster sugar. You set it to 0. Right, 225 of caster sugar. I like to put in a bit of vanilla essence, so just as much as you want to put in there, really. A level teaspoon of baking powder, then 225 grams of margarine or butter. I'm using the stalk margarine for baking. And then finally, well actually before that, a mouthful of coffee in my reindeer Christmas cup. And then finally it's 4 eggs. There you go, so that's everything in the bowl there, look. I'm going to drop it down. Right now I can't get my hands on the little splatter guard that fits on here, don't know where I put it. So I'm just going to pop a tea towel over it to stop the flour and everything from sort of going everywhere. I'm just going to start it on a low. And it's so quick, I'll show you. Look, doing it with this method, it's done. There we are, done. Right, take off the thingy, majiggy, and let's divide this up. There we are then, guys. So they're out of the oven, cooling down before I start to fill them. There we are then, guys. So they're out of the tin. They did stick a little bit, unfortunately, but not anything to worry about at all. I need some new tins. I think that's what it is. They're quite old now, but yeah, these are looking nice. So I'm going to put my Victoria sandwich on here. Another cake plate. I'm just going to give it a little sprinkling so it doesn't stick. Put my sponge on there. Strawberry jam. It's got some really lovely big strawberries in here. Got this in Lidl's.
Coffee?
Yes, please. And what I like to do, I like to easy without a broken arm, of course, but I like to just get my knife in there and give it a little bit of a, like that, and then it kind of comes out easier to spread. Right, nice lot of jam in there, as you can see. See a little bit of a bald patch. Can't have a bald patch, can we? Let's fill that bald patch. There we go, that's better. Right, okay. I've got some double cream here, which I'm about to whip up in my KitchenAid with the whisk. Tip the whole lot in. Just the first one to start with, it doesn't go slush everywhere. Do you remember when we used to have to do all of this by hand, guys? Done. Perfecto. Perfecto. Come on. Push it off and let's... And let's get the top on. That is what I like to see in a fresh cream, beautiful Victoria sandwich. And let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, right, there we are then, my loves. Everything is made. So here is my jam and fresh cream Victoria sandwich. You saw exactly how I made it. And my sweet pastry, really short, crumbly, melt in the mouth mince pies.